What is depression? Today I'm talking about depression. You will need to know about depression. Watch carefully this video, and if you like, then share it. Depression is not directly connected to an individual people or person. It can be formed, it can be born by some worst scenario, it can be born by some worst circumstances where the people and individual fail to face some circumstances, then lost courage, give up, misbelief towards life, eventually drag into the depression. Depression is not a disease, just a symptom. But when talks about MDD stands for major depressive disorder. It is a disease, it is a disorder, not just a symptom. It's all about depression.